Wow, look at this cat.
Look, they got clean water.
Over there.
Don't touch the door, मैंने कहा वो she will be scared.
Look at it. Just look at it.
How about we keep?
Should we take mid though?
I think you put the rice in the rainbow and she's eating.
Yeah.
And she's still eating. Huh?
Wow.
Yeah,
I filmed this. I gotta post this. I gotta post this on my YouTube channel. No, seriously.
And the cat is getting very wet.
Yeah, I don't. Can you see the microwave, please? Bonita, no, Bonita, you're in front of the camera, Bonita.
It's eating the bowl. It's eating right. Imagine the cat is eating the bowl even though it's mine. It's fine. If it's like it eats right.
There, come on, focus camera. It's going. Okay, it's walking. It's walking. Okay, it's on the stone. I can see it on the stone.
Color, you can't keep it.
Come on. Okay. Now she's going to the right. She looks like she's gonna jump. She jumped.